Hey guys, welcome to Kaushik Blogs. So it's been a long time since I met all my subscribers and all the YouTube viewers. So by this time, I have upgraded my tech journey with Apple ecosystem. That means I got a MacBook instead of Windows laptop. So my model is MacBook M1 Air. So it's running on latest Sequoia version. So in this video, let's discuss, can a visually impaired use Mac, and what are the advantages and disadvantages being a migrator from Windows to Mac. So let's dive into the video. So guys, I got MacBook on September 27th. So it's been 4-5 months since more than 6 months I am using MacBook. Till now, I'm at basic level. And so first good thing I found on the Mac are speakers. It sounds like a mini Bluetooth speaker, 2.1 channel home theater. It's better than that. It's superb audio quality from speakers and voiceover also. Second thing, as an Indian user, auto language detection with all South Indian languages. And number 3, battery life. It is giving me more than 9 hours. So when I'm using MacBook M1 Air with browsing, video watching, and audio playing. So next thing, what I love is the typing experience and the voiceover responsiveness. So in Apple products, I'm always a fan of voiceover customization and voiceover's responsiveness. So now, what I don't like is the storage capacity. It's a little bit of 256 GB. It's not enough. And next thing is the commands. Every time we need to uninteract in the table. Even though we have quick nav on or quick navigation key on or single key navigation. So there are a few things here: interaction, uninteraction, single key navigation, quick navigation, and touchpad. So these are the things you have to keep in mind when you're using MacBook. So further, we'll make tutorials on MacBook, how to use in a voiceover point of view. So next thing what I don't like is the software availability. So we don't have much software than Windows here in MacBook. But luckily, I am having OBS Studio, where I was doing live streams on games of Windows. And now I have OBS Studio on Mac also. But remember, next thing is I'm coming for gaming. Windows have a lot of games which is free. But Mac does not have too much games. In that, we don't have too much audio games. So these are the things which I like and don't like from MacBook as my opinion. But what makes me MacBook better from Windows laptop is the use of touchpad. So this is very, very crucial thing in Mac. So if you're using an iPhone, when you're browsing the internet, you're using router to just shift headings, links. You can use touchpad to do that. You don't need to touch keyboard all the time. You have multiple options. You can use trackpad for browsing and keyboard for browsing. But typing, you have to type on keyboard only, remember, as a funny part. But you can use touchpad with full accessibility. And next thing is the Apple ecosystem. So if you like this video, do comment if you want to know more about Apple ecosystem, because I am migrated to full Apple ecosystem. I have a MacBook, I have Apple Watch, I have an Apple iPhone, and I have an Apple AirPod, which is small AirPod. I mean to say iPod. So I have an Apple iPod too. So I have a MacBook, phone, watch. So these are the main Apple's ecosystem. So This is all about the video, guys. So in further, we can just go to learn MacBook with voiceover. Stay tuned in the channel. If you like all my videos, do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching Kaushik Blogs. This is Kaushik signing off.